I stand here today as a regional director of my company in charge of West Africa, and it's because of programs like this. Hi, my name is Emmanuel. I'm from Ghana, and I took a program with Exeed College, MBA in Energy and Sustainability. It has been a great and a wonderful experience. The faculty, Dr. Vivek, my supervisor, Dr. Elisabetta, all of them were very great. I can't also leave out the non-teaching staff. They were very great in supporting my journey. It was such a tough time for me to combine work and also academic work, and then it has always been a great privilege. I stand here today as a regional director of my company in charge of West Africa, and it's because of programs like this. I'm so excited and grateful to Exeed College for this wonderful opportunity, and I hope to make impact in my world.